Do another one for us.
Okay. Now, if you go much faster than anything, you can go much faster on the board. See? Gauge like this. And run all in your might.
It looks like fun, Aaron.
Huh?
It looks like fun.
It does.
Are you nice and cool?
It's charming. Yes, I am.
Sure.
But it's this. That it has 2 chairs and 1 slide. Has 1 step. Okay. Let's go see our front yard. I'll take you a tour for our front yard.
Now continuing with our household tour led by Aaron Kaminsky, the recent Sweet Haven graduate. Okay, Aaron, take it away.
Hi, nice to see you again. This is our swing set, and over here is my windsock. Now we'll take you where I'll see all the flowers over here. This concludes our lovely tour through the whole Kaminsky's house. Thank you. One more thing. You want me to see sliding on the sliding board one more time? And remember, this is the whole family.